Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily FX market review for the trading day ending Wednesday, August 26th. Firstly to the Euro US dollar, and here we see very strong selling coming into this market today, a very large black body candle. The market breaching down through the 114.59 level of previous support. And that was an area where we saw some upside price rejection for the previous day's trading, a very important area of previous resistance, and there was an opportunity for that area to hold as support. Now the market has taken it out very solidly, good solid downside momentum and a good solid bearish breach down below the Tenkan-sen indicator. This suggests that the sellers may have some decent momentum and perhaps enough to breach down through the Kijun-sen indicator, trading at 112.79. Obviously the Kijun-sen is an important area of support, so we should be watching that area very closely, but a bearish breakout down below the Kijun-sen could see the Euro US dollar testing down to around 1160 and down to the top of the Ichimoku cloud. If we do see a bounce up through here, we'll be watching the Tenkan-sen to act as resistance 113.63. And a breach up through there could see the market testing back up to the 114.59 level of previous resistance. To the hourly charts with the Euro US dollar, and here we see for the today's session it has closed the market open within the cloud, found strong resistance at the top of the cloud, sold off to breach down through the bottom of the cloud and trade down for the rest of the day to the second pivot point support level, finding support there late in the day. We have opened down below each of the Ichimoku indicators today, looking fairly weak, a possibility of the market trading lower, but just looking a little overextended in the depth away from the Ichimoku cloud. So any upside price activity and a breach through the Tenkan-sen, trading at 113.63, and the middle pivot point level at 113.88 could see the market trade higher. Any selling coming in off this resistance could easily see a test down to the first pivot point support level at 112.16. Next to the US dollar Japanese yen, and here we see some buying coming into this market today off the support around the 118.9 level. A solid build of momentum in terms of a white body candle. The net effect has been with the buyers here, and a moderate bullish breakout up above this area at 119.85, and an important breach up above there. Now we are seeing the market rally in this new session, but we may find some strong resistance around the Tenkan-sen at 120.51. We should be watching that closely, and then also at the Kijun-sen at 120.87. But a bearish market in all three timeframes. Let's watch how the market reacts around these areas. If we see selling coming in, watching the 119.85 level to hold as potential support. Any bearish breach down below there could see a test down to 119.20. And with the hourly charts with the US dollar Japanese yen, and here we saw fairly indecisive trading for today's session that has closed. The market just testing below the cloud, hovering up to find resistance around the top of the cloud, and then just breaking out at the end of the trading session. We have opened above each of the Ichimoku indicators today, and we are finding some resistance around the first pivot point resistance level at 120.46. A breach through there could easily see the market test to 121.03 or 121.59, the next higher pivot point levels. A test lower is likely to find strong support through to the bottom of the Ichimoku cloud around 119.30, and a breakout down below there could easily see the first pivot point support level at 118.88 tested.